Hey folks, Southwest Virginia Outdoors here with Keith and Jared. We're here doing a little trout fishing. Kind of a little bit of a hidden spot, but the water's up, it's real good and clear, and we hope to bring you a lot of good fishing. We've already caught quite a few trout. Stay tuned.
So I haven't had a whole lot of success today, but if you show you what we're using, we're not using conventional trout lures. We're using a little jig head and a Berkley gulp smelt. So I mean, common, you can buy them in Walmart, whatever you want to do. But they work pretty well. You ought to give it a try sometime for your trout in the area. Just kind of using a 4-pound fluorocarbon, you know, on a 7-foot bass rod. So we're trout fishing unconventionally. And, hey, it's still fun. A little bit too cold to get out on the boat today. At least I didn't want to get out on the boat today. 70 mile an hour and 20-degree weather. It's no fun. Hey, Southwest Virginia boys. he is. There it is. Well, that's a good one too. Either that or just fast water. Let me get him here. Oh, easy. 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 Easy.
Big brown.
Big brown. Oh, look at that. It just come out.
Heck yeah, man. Big old brown. Brown daddy.
Well, he was over in that fast water.
Heck yeah, buddy. That's promising.
Oh.
Drop the bow. Nice. I like it. Stay out of the tree. There he is.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel